Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change snipping tool settings on Windows 11 in 2026. First, open the snipping tool from the Start menu. Now click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and open Settings. The first option is Automatically Copy Changes. Turn it off and then turn it back on. Next, go to Automatically Save Original Screenshots. This option saves your screenshots automatically. You can also turn on Ask to save edited screenshots, which will ask you before saving edited images. Now enable multiple windows. This allows screenshots to open in separate windows. Next, turn on Add Border to each screenshot. This adds a border around your screenshots. You can also check HDR Screenshot Color Corrector if you use an HDR display. After changing the settings, click the back button in the top left corner. All changes are saved automatically, so you do not need to click a Save button. These settings help you customize Snipping Tool and make taking screenshots easier and more convenient. That's it. You have successfully changed Snipping Tool settings on Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.